The Amazing Bike Competition.
Rated PG. By Emilio
and Rishi Jambavanta. Welcome to the Best Bike Competition. Whoever wins gets $50 million.
That's right, Jared. And these are contestants. We actually have contestants, unlike last time. There are two contestants, Bob and Gary. Hi.
Hello.
First test, bike speed. That was close. How high can it go on a ramp? Gary's went at flying speed. Yes!
I think Gary's gonna win. Yeah, I am.
Oh no. Test 3. How far can it go on a hill? Test 4. Coolness. Gary's looks cool. Gary.
Gary. The winner is Gary! Announcer, Rishi Jambavanta.
Judge 1, Emilio Leyva. Judge 2, Emilio Leyva. Bob, Emilio Leyva.
Gary, Rishi Jambavanta.